Stupid ka, Elvin.
Tingog pa ko.
Sige.
Sakit lang yun.
MGO, do my vlog po. Yaw-yaw.
Nawala ang beauty sa.
My goodness.
Laki man.
Wow, perfect. So this is what we came to see, guys.
Where's he from? Latvia. Because I know he's not American. His accent is
he's
different.
Latvia.
Wow. My goodness.
Oh, waday.
Dili rata mga piyo.
Asan tong pan ito, net? Magdala rata sunod og carpet. Na? Na? We're here. Look at the early birds. With the bread. Not only nice, I love this place. One of my favorite. I have so many vlogs with this place, but yes, I so love coming here. All those coconut trees, green stuff. Oops. With my cousins, and I'm with Michelle McNally, by the way. So. Say hi! Nakalag na Diyos, Mary Joy.
Dito, Joy. Oh,
Unyara mo, si Tonit may kuan, photographer. Say hi, Michelle. Hey. We have Michelle McNally here.
Oh my God. No. Oh, where?
Finally, she's with us because she's been busy in school and judging and everywhere. So finally, she's with us, with her aunties.
Yes, my very young auntie. Mommy, do you want? Do you want? No, that's Jurassic. What do you mean? Do you want instant?
So we are back here in Mountain View Resort in San Jose, one of my favorite place. Yes, I have so many vlogs here, but I will not get tired doing again and again. I'm with my cousins. Oh, hi Mary Joy! It's her first time. My cousin and another cousin. Oh, that's LV, Mary Joy. So, post some of the post. And then I'm with Michelle McNally.
Isa ka bangki dayon. Imo ti dada.
Very nice kaayo, guys. Victoria Mountain View Resort in San Jose. I came here so many times and I will visit here more and more. Hi! Hi, pud mo! With my cousins.
This is her. She's gonna post this on Facebook, and then the sound is green, green.
Na?
Wala ba naikot sa car? Na dito po niyo, kada dito niyo mga pila dito niyo.
Here. Edited view. Ay. This is Michelle's food, and we have the bami.
Yes ninyo.
Kung ako na naihatag ni Mark.
Double kong memory is full na ko. Diba?
Imo mang dahil ikuan.
O post ba yun, delete?
Hindi ma.
Na, nice na kayong sunset, oh. Nice kayo. MG, the sunset. So pretty. Ibutang ra ng cellphone, Michelle. Kita tanan.
Kuyog na mo ng kuan. Ano diri Michelle may kuyog beauty queen. Nami. Michelle. Kuyog beauty queen. Ikaw may mong dire. Window. Wala diri. Diri. Ayaw pa cover guys. Ayaw pa guys. Dito na kay ka 7 kay Kidan. Kidan. Gasong kadua.
Guys, ila ko gigatawan, guys, oh. Na, guys, oh. Si Michelle. We're going home. Thank you, Mountain View Resort, Victoria Mountain Resort. Thank you, ate. Bye-bye. Thank you. Na, tas may lakaw. Tunit, oh. Kanang dili ta mahilig kayo og TikTok. Dayon pasayawon ta. Libog ta gusawon.
Ako ganyan, anak, igabasa na ilong ka.
Lingaw kay sila nako, guys. Pasayawon ta. Dili ta kabalo sa action. Huh? Na, gilibak ko nila, guys, oh. Na, sakit lang tiyag kinatawan ni libak na ko. Di ko kabalo. Di ko kabalo sa action. Oh, na. Hoy, sige maglibak na ko, ha? Ay, makalingaw. Naunsa naman kada imo po kung gilibak.
Kapoy ka ayaw.
Magpatudlo niya ako ni Dave. Saan tong action ni Dave? Dave, tudloin niya ako, Dave. Ila ko katawan, hindi ko kabalo. Na. Giub. La, gabi na. Gabi na. Tabi, langas kayo, may. Uli na, may. Thank you. Na. Oh, di sulit kayo. Sulit kayo inyo. Sa may?
Kami kay kanang Michelle.
Ay!
Kana magaling ang gabi yun ni mo dahil. Murag ganang perfect. Tak pag-anan dito tak ang nanayaw na. Duya. Pinakaw na din kay gaana din na mga.
Asa nang unang yun?
Wala na yung una, puro na ulahin. Ay. Oh, guys, oh, gilibak gihapon ko guys. 30 minutes ako nilang gilibak guys. Sakitan na silang tiyan.
Tsara na kay photo na niyo. Imo na nang gi-save niyo? Anak mo sus balik ka na pag-anang Michelle.
Nya. Nya ang dancers.
Gagara iya. Gubot kay da. Amo na yun. Wala na tikwan na la.
Nani, tikong to. Daga yung beef dahil.
Oh, isa na lang.
Ay, sino na? Dili ba yung magkatulog si Maymay? Dili na ma... Uy, nana oh! Nana.
Nasabot ka diri na tanan.
Ay, uli namin guys. Ay, amping! Bye-bye! Thank you! Si Jordan. Mananamig TikTok guys. Uli namin.